Superlative adjectives help us compare three or more things to find the highest degree. They show which one has the most of a quality. We use the word the plus adjective plus est. For example, big becomes the biggest, small becomes the smallest, and fast becomes the fastest. For one-syllable adjectives, add est at the end. If the adjective ends with e, just add sent. If it ends with y, change y to I, then add est. So tall becomes tallest, nice becomes nicest, and happy becomes happiest. When you have a short vowel followed by one consonant, double that consonant before adding est. This happens in words like big, thin, and hot. So big becomes biggest, thin becomes thinnest, and hot becomes hottest. Some adjectives are irregular and don't follow normal rules. Good becomes best, bad becomes worst, far becomes furthest or farthest, little becomes least, and many or much becomes most. These special forms must be memorized. Adjectives with two or more syllables usually take most before the adjective, but two-syllable adjectives ending in y change y to I and add est. So beautiful becomes most beautiful, interesting becomes most interesting, but pretty becomes prettiest. Here are the most common irregular superlatives to remember. Good becomes the best, bad becomes the worst, far becomes the farthest or furthest, little becomes the least, and many or much becomes the most. Let's see irregular superlatives in complete sentences. This is the best movie I have ever seen. That was the worst storm in decades. She is the farthest swimmer on the team. He got the least amount of homework today. He scored the most points. Now practice forming superlatives. He is the tallest student in the class. This puzzle is the most difficult of all. Amir runs the fastest in his school. That is the oldest building in our town. She is the most intelligent girl I have met.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.